Today I'm going to be showing you how to easily stream with your VTuber or avatar using an iPhone. Equipment can get really expensive, but I know an app called Hyper Online that's super simple to use. The best part is that it's free. It's available on the App Store for iPhone currently. I'll be putting timestamps down below so you can jump to wherever you need to look for. This guide will teach you how to use Hyper for the iOS app with tools like Streamlabs or OBS. Hyper Online is an avatar social network where you can customize your own 3D model and use it for streaming. You can also use it for TikTok, Zoom meeting, Discord calls, or whatever you like. You can import a VRM file or use the character creator to customize a cute avatar. So what you will need is a computer and iPhone with the Hyper app installed. For PC, you're going to need a capture card and HDMI cable. For Mac, you'll only need an iPhone cable that can connect to your Mac device. OBS should already be installed on your computer. First, open up the Hyper app on your phone. You can create your avatar here. It should track your face immediately. If it doesn't, your iPhone might not be compatible. Only iPhones with the TrueDepth camera will be able to use Hyper. Once your model is to your liking, tap on the red live button from the home screen. Don't worry, you aren't live yet. This is a staging mode. Tap the OBS button in the bottom of the screen. If you want, you can rotate the orientation here. Next, find the chroma key setting and select green. If your character has green hair or green wardrobe, you might want to select blue. The green and blue parts will become transparent in OBS. We're basically removing the background, but we don't want to remove your hair. Start OBS mode to get rid of the buttons on the screen so it's just your character. If you want to go back to change your settings, simply shake your phone. For OBS integration, connect your capture card to your iPhone and PC, or connect your iPhone cable to your Mac device. Okay, so now we're going to set this up so it can work with OBS. Go to Sources and click the plus button to add a new source. Under New Sources, look for the Video Capture Device button in the window and add your source. You can name your source and click OK. The window should pop up, and in this window, under Device, select iPhone. In preset, you can select your size. I recommend 1920 by 1080, but whatever you like, and then click OK. You should be able to see your iPhone screen now, and you can resize and reframe it to your liking. Okay, now you have your avatar in, let's remove the background. You have your basic setup, there's this block of green behind you and you want to get rid of it. To get rid of the green screen, right click on the video capture device, hit filters. In effect filters, click on the plus button and select chroma key. You can name this if you want. To get rid of the green, in the key color type area, click the drop down menu, select green or blue depending on your background, and you can fiddle with these filter settings to get a clean cutout. Then just tap done and you're finished. Pro tip, if you want to recrop easily, you can hold Alt on Windows or Alt Option on Mac, drag the little square while holding the corresponding keys, and you'll be able to crop quite quickly. I want to add a background to this. To add a background, it's kind of similar to how we did video source. Click the plus button in Sources, select image, select any background you want, and size it to the screen. We want to reorder our sources so that the avatar is on top. If you want to set this up to play games, you might want to use display capture or game capture. To avoid warping, make sure your video output setting matches your software's output setting. Go to Settings, in Video, select the correct canvas resolution to your output. If you want to use Hyper for Zoom, go to OBS, find the virtual webcam button and turn it on. Then go back to Zoom. In the Zoom settings, click the Video tab. In Camera, select OBS Camera in the drop-down menu. And if it doesn't work, just try restarting your computer. For Discord, join a voice channel. On the bottom, click Video to turn on your camera. Click the video camera button in the center and select which source you want to input into Discord. Select OBS camera and you should be able to use it. For Twitch, log in and navigate to your settings. Click Stream. In this window, go to the primary stream key and copy this key. It should be very long. Don't show anyone this or they can stream to your account. Now back into OBS, go back to Settings, select Stream, and copy and paste your stream key in the corresponding box. Now when you click Live, it should go to your Twitch account. For YouTube, log in, and in the top right corner, click the video with the plus sign and select Go Live. You have to follow the prompts to verify your channel, but once your channel is verified, there is a short tutorial on how to use YouTube's live stream function. Go to Stream Settings and copy and paste your stream key. Now back to OBS, same thing as before, click into Settings, select Stream. In the Stream Service area, toggle it and select YouTube, then copy and paste your stream key in. When you go live, it's going to go to your YouTube account. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and happy streaming!